everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using the first 3 colors from the 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar from Sundara Nails. Now, if you want to see what this looks like when I received it, because it was really beautifully wrapped, I will link the unboxing video in the cards. So we're only going to be doing the first 3 colors right now on my channel, and then down the road we will dabble into the other beautiful colors. So the first color here, it's called Shimmery Snow, and it is of such a beautiful color, and it has one of those little stoppers in there as well in the packaging. So this color is like a silvery champagne color, more of a cool undertone. It's super pretty, and that sparkle and shine is unreal. And then the next color here is from day 2, and this is called Santa Glitz, and it's a beautiful bright red, and it has some gold shimmer in it, and it's super pretty. You will see it here in action in just a little bit. It applies really, really awesome. And then the next color here, it's called Juniper, and it is the perfect Christmas green, and it is stunning. Look at that. It's like a bright but yet darker green on the same side. It's super pretty, and it's the most beautiful green I've seen so far. And then look at the 3 together. They are just screaming holidays, and I really like the first 3 colors. And then also when you do order, you get this really awesome special gift, and it is a brush, and this brush is amazing. It will make the application of using these pudding gels really, really nice. So for today, we are going to be doing press-ons. I'm going to be using medium almonds for this mani. You can use anything you want. You can use it on your natural nail, you can use it on your jelly tips, you can use it over your builder gel, whatever you prefer. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to apply gel base all over the entire nail. This is very important because this is what's going to help the application when we are applying those pudding gels. It's going to make the application so smooth, and it's going to go on really, really nicely. So right now you can still pre-order this advent calendar to the 28th of October, and you have a chance to get the golden ticket, which I'm really excited about. There's only 250 of these advent calendars, and they're all going to ship out if you've pre-ordered at the same time. So everybody has a chance to get the golden ticket. So they'll all be shipped out. I believe it's on November 3rd. And in that shipment, somebody will receive the golden ticket. Now, real quick here, you're going to take a little bit from that pot, put it on the brush, and then I'm just going to go ahead and gently just hover over the nail and just glide on that product onto the nail. And it is applying so smooth. It's like silky goodness. It's not streaky at all. Now, I've used pudding gels in the past that are super, super streaky and patchy, and then it looks like a hot mess. Not the issue with these at all. So all 3 colors applied amazingly, and then to clean off your brush, you just go ahead and brush it off on that paper towel. I do go ahead and brush off that brush after each nail just to make sure I'm eliminating any extra product, so I just have a smooth, clean application each time I go in with a layer of the pudding gel. So back to the golden ticket. So if you are one of the lucky people to get the golden ticket, and it's actually a golden ticket, the prize is amazing. So the prize value is $500, and it is a $100 gift card to Sundara Nails and a $400 Visa gift card, which is amazing because everybody right now needs a little extra help during the holidays. So you can buy, your family something, or you can use the gift card for yourself and buy yourself something. So definitely a really awesome prize that Sundara is doing, and definitely if you are thinking of this, get on that pre-order so you have a chance to get the golden ticket. So I will link everything regarding the pre-ordering of the advent calendars in the description box below. I do have a discount code as well that you can use when you are purchasing that advent calendar that will help you save on that. Normally there is no discount on that advent calendar, so definitely take advantage of that if you're considering ordering that, because that will help you save on these 12 gorgeous, beautiful colors. And these colors are all awesome. So not only can you use them how we're using them today in the mani, we're just doing a 1 color mani using the first 3. You can do a lot of stuff with the pudding gels. So you can do nail art with them, which is super fun, especially if you have nail art brushes. You can do a lot of stuff with these. Options are endless, and just because the first 3 colors are Christmassy, you can literally use, I think that Santa Glitz, that beautiful red with the gold in it, I think that is so pretty. That would be like the perfect summer mani color. The green is amazing because it's like not too dark, not too bright. It's like the perfect like green in the middle. And this color right here is beautiful. I really want to use Shimmery Snow for New Year's Eve. I think it is stunning. So all these colors are really perfect for all year long. Don't let the first 3 colors fool you because this collection is amazing. And the packaging is really nice. Those little boxes are super cute. They seal up really nicely and they have that little plastic seal in there as well. So it's just overall a really well-made quality product that you know you're going to get from Sundara, and they're HEMA-free, and it's a product that you can trust and love. And here we are with the red, and look at how it applies. It is just so fun to play with these. It actually was, I don't know, there's something about how silky that they apply on the nail that it was just really fun to apply this pudding gel because like I said, I had really bad luck with pudding gel. It was a totally different brand in the past, so I kind of stayed away from them. But now I'm like, I need all the Sundara pudding gels out there because if this is anything on how they apply, I'm super excited. And I think that these are going to be really fun for nail art. So a couple things when you are applying pudding gel, make sure that you are not applying a lot of product on the brush. You just want to make sure you're taking a little bit and working it onto the nail, and then you can always go back in the little jar and grab more. And longer strokes are better for your application. Now this brush is amazing that you get with this kit for the application of these pudding gels. Highly recommend this brush, and it's super cute as well. And then also when you are curing your pudding gel, you want to make sure that you are moving your little pudding gel squares away from your light because you do not want to cure that. If you are also doing your nails and you have like a ring light or a super bright LED light in your nail space or wherever you do your nails, be really careful that you are not leaving these out because you can mess with the formula if it is hitting those direct lights for a long period of time. Obviously, when you're doing your nails, it's not going to affect it. Just make sure I recommend keeping your pudding gels in a dark place, a dark, cool place for storage. And they have those little caps on them, and I would just make sure that they're sitting upright so they're not spilling or anything like that. But Juniper, look how well that's applying. It is super pigmented, it's super buildable. So you can build up this pigment however you want. You can do 1 coat if you want like that jelly Christmassy nail. You can build it up to 2 coats, 3 coats, and the application is going to be really, really thin, but the color payoff is going to be beautiful. So look at these colors. They're so pretty. I love it so much. It's screaming Christmas vibes. I know we're not even into Halloween yet, but I don't care. I'm already loving and planning out my Christmas manis, and I've already done a few because I love Christmas so much. I mean, I love Halloween, but I love Christmas so much. So to finish this mani, I am going in directly with my top coat. Couple things. You could definitely do this mani matte. I think a matte finish would be stunning. There's something about matte like finishes with cooler weather that I gravitate towards, and I definitely need to try this mani with a matte finish because I think it would be stunning. Also, if you ever experience any flaking or peeling after you completed your mani when you just do a gel top coat, don't do what I'm doing then. Go in and do a layer of base coat first, cure that for 30 seconds, and then go in with your top coat. That will help prevent any peeling or lifting that you will get or flakiness after you complete your mani. But everyone's body chemistry is different, so it all depends on the person. But with me, I have really good luck with the Sundara Nails gel that I don't have any peeling. So how pretty are these colors? This is what it turned out, and I think it's super pretty. Shimmery Snow is definitely a must-have staple color, and it's so pretty, and the pigment of these pudding gels are simply stunning. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below. Here's the info on the pre-order in the Advent Calendar, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye!